Hey YouTube, thanks for checking out RV Daydream. Heidi here. I'm going to do a review today on an eLuxury product. It's the Extra Plush RV mattress pad. It's bamboo, and we are putting on a RV short queen.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
eLuxury is a veteran-owned company that is in Evansville, Indiana, and of course that makes this made in the USA. I've already installed the mattress pad. I wanted the correct size, so I got the short RV queen size, which is 60 by 75, and I love how it fits. It fits perfect. I'm not sure that how much of it will affect when our wardrobe slides in, but at this point I don't really think that matters. We're looking at for comfort. They have standard sizes for regular twin, queen, king, and then they have RV sizes. So we're gonna give it a few days and I'm gonna give you an update. So now that we've had this mattress pad cover for approximately 45 days, today is day number 6 that we've slept on it in a row, which I think that really made a difference of being able to give a good review on this, that comfort we felt sleeping in this bed now. It fits perfect. It does fit up to 18 inches thick mattress. So like I said, it fits perfect. It's easy to come off, easy to go back on, washable. It does have a 1-year warranty. I can only say good things about this. It made a difference. As I mentioned before, my husband is a little bit heavier, and this mattress is very firm. So that's why we were looking for something to not add height, as we have a wardrobe slide that comes in obviously when we travel, and it does hit the top of the bed. So adding this did not make a difference at all. It didn't affect anything when we put the slide in. So it was just thick enough to make a difference for us. If you decide you like to try the bamboo RV mattress pad, eLuxury has offered a discount code, and it will be in the link below. That will take you right to their website. If you want to purchase it through Amazon, there'll be a link there also. I just wanted to thank eLuxury for giving me the opportunity to review this bamboo mattress pad, and as always, I hope to see you out there. Bye!